This is Furnotel electric level rock grill. Use 3-phase 380 volts power source. Cast iron stove frame, better heat storage, together with 5 kg level rocks. Stainless steel heating tube protect plate, easy to remove. Protect the heating tube from direct oil contact. Aluminum knob, proportional temperature control, anti-water design barb hole, corrosion mark finish work. Magnetic door cabinet, big storage space. Waste oil collection drawer, easy for cleaning. An L switch must be connected before connected to the electric to ensure safety. Follow the wire diagram on the machine to connect the electric. A professional technician is required. Explosion-proof plug should be installed at the wiring terminal. After connecting the terminal, plug it into the socket. Check it is not loose. Turn on the L switch. The machine has electricity. The green light on. Turn the proportional knob. The yellow light on means the machine is heating. Turn the knob to the short bar position. The machine keep heating without stop. Turn the knob to 0 position. The yellow light off. The machine stop heating. Then turn off the L switch.